So this blizzard happened 17 days ago, and we finally got a green light that it was possible to get out there and see what might have happened to our trail cameras. We have 10 of them out there. The roads were okay, but they were lined with high walls of condensed ice blocks, snow blocks. It was amazing. So Dan is trying to find a way to get over to see where we can get in. He steps up there and he's walking on the fence right now. We find a way to glissade down what normally is a rock outcrop and ended up finding our little box canyon where one camera is located. Well, the camera is gone. I don't see any of it. Some large cow tracks there. But everything's gone. I fear the worst. But Dan thinks there is a camera buried somewhere. And we don't bring snow tools, of course. He keeps digging with the saw we use. And do you think the camera is there?
I don't know where.
You're just finding a rock. There it is. After about digging for 10 minutes, he finds a camera buried under a foot or 2 feet of snow. This one camera had about 900 snow triggers. Here is a ground blizzard. The ground blizzards lasted for about 2 more days and 2 nights, and just seeing the footage was incredible to see what wind does, because there wasn't much snow. This is all done mostly by the wind, which is very strong out there on the plains in Colorado, and roads were closed for many days. Here is a real good whiteout. Cameras did not produce anything but thousands of wind triggers. Now here, the first ones after a hard storm are always coyotes. They're the hardiest. They are really the toughest animals. And this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe below.